These are the vertebral arteries. They send blood to the basilar artery, which sends blood to the posterior half of the cerebral arterial circle. So there's the posterior cerebral artery. This is the posterior communicating artery. That's the internal carotid artery. Then for the anterior half of the cerebral arterial circle, you have the front part. Of course, remember that this sits in here like this. So this is the internal carotid artery. And so that extension here, branch, becomes the anterior cerebral artery. And the anterior communicating artery is a connection between these two, which we don't have, but it would be there, okay? And then another branch from the internal carotid arteries are the middle cerebral arteries, shown here. The sinuses that drain, so this brings blood to the brain, and the sinuses that drain the blood now include the dural sinus here, so all this blue area, the transverse sinuses here, the sigmoid sinuses here, the straight sinuses here, and the superior sagittal sinus, which you can see in the half heads and in the dorsal marks. Okay?
So the dural sinus is also the cavernous.
Dural sinuses are all these sinuses.
Oh.
This is the cavernous sinus. Did I say that? Did I say that?
You said dural sinus.
Oh, yeah. Well, dural sinuses are all of them, sorry. But this particular one is called the cavernous sinus. Transverse sinus, sigmoid sinus, straight sinus.